In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the best Telegram bot for Base Chain, SigmaBot, with a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial so you can start using it today. To begin, you'll find an invitation link to the SigmaBot in the video description. Click on that link to access the bot on Telegram. Once there, type Start or click the Start button to initiate the bot. If you haven't created a wallet yet, you will need to do so first. The bot will guide you through creating a wallet, and it will provide you with a private key. Make sure to keep this private key safe, as it is essential for accessing your wallet if you lose access to your Telegram account. After setting up your wallet, the next step is to load it with some Ethereum. Copy your wallet address and send Ethereum to it, ensuring you use the Base network. Once you've done this, type SL Wallets to update your balance and confirm the Ethereum has arrived. If your balance doesn't update, ensure you are on the Base chain by clicking the Back button, selecting the Change button, and ticking the Base option. Next, you can customize your trading presets by clicking the Buy buttons and adjusting them to match your trading style. This helps in setting the amount of Ethereum you wish to trade with. When ready, type SL Start to open the trading menu. To snipe a contract, paste the contract address and set the amount and gas fees. Adjust the slippage setting if needed, especially if you're sniping a token. You can also place limit orders by specifying the market cap at which you want to buy or sell. For managing your positions, go back to the Start menu and select Positions to see and manage your open trades. If the bot becomes slow, switch to a backup bot from the Backup Bots menu, which allows you to use a different server while retaining all your wallet and position details. These steps cover the basic features of SigmaBot, enabling you to start trading on the Base chain effectively. For more details or assistance, leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to click the invitation link in the video description to get started with SigmaBot today.